Alright, here's this Holmes Wizard desk fan. Often that we see this one come in. It's usually the oscillating type that comes in more. I'm not sure if they even make it like this anymore. I don't think they do. Some 05. And they have some $10 for it. I think that's a bit overpriced. But since the house was, well, now I'm not even able to drop prices on stuff no more. They actually changed the rule to that. So, yeah. Start off. On low. It was decently on low. It does need to be cleaned up a bit. It does a good job still. And shut off and do spin down. Actually, not even dirty. It's just not that powerful. So, yep, that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos, guys.